everyone, this is Mehereen. Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel so that I post any new video you get notified. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did this look. I'm gonna start by doing my eyebrows. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. I'm here using spoolie to brush my eyebrow first. I'm gonna use this brow pencil. I'm gonna use a black pencil to make my eyebrows dark. Now I'm gonna clean the brows by Elegant Pro Concealer. Now I'm gonna use concealer on my eyelid. I'm using Elegant Pro Concealer, but it's in lighter shade. Now I'm gonna set the concealer using some loose powders. Today I'm using the Beauty Glaze Color Board palette. As you guys can see, this is one of my favorite palettes. I use this most of the time and I like it so much. From this palette, I'm gonna use the purple section first. I'm gonna take this pink color. I'm placing this pink color just right on my crease line and blending this out. I'm going to do the same on my this eye. Now I'm going to take the darker pink shade. First I'm going to apply this color on my eyelid. So guys, I'm done with my eyelids and now I'm gonna move on to my face and to my base. So for the primer, I'm using Fit Me mattifying primer. I always use matte primer because my skin is very oily. If you guys have dry skin, you guys can use hydrating primer or water based primer, but I'm using silicone based primer as my skin is very oily. Here I'm using Elegant color corrector. I'm gonna blend this by using a brush. I'm taking 2 puffs of it. I have applied a foundation all over my face. I'm gonna apply concealer. I'm using Elegant Pro Concealer under my eyes. Now I'm gonna blend this concealer by using a foundation brush. Foundation brush is more big, so it helps to blend the concealer fast. I'm gonna set the base by using loose powder. I've done my base already, as you guys can see. Now moving on to my eyes again. I'm just gonna blend this out a little bit. Now I'm gonna use the same blue color. I'm gonna use this pink and this pink shade. I'm gonna be using this white pencil on my lower lash line to make my eyes look more bigger. Today I'm not gonna use any kind of eyeliner, that's why I'm directly moving on to my eyelashes. Now I'm gonna highlight the inner corner of my eyes to brighten the area. I'm using eyeliner for defining my inner corner. Much better. First I'm gonna outline my lips, then I'm gonna fill it up. I'm using this red lip liner just on the inner part of my lips. I'm using concealer to clean my lipstick. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that every time I post you get notified. Thank you so much. Goodbye.